fam! Today is the day! I'm finally dropping my first official vlog. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cround's channel. This is RainheartJIREH, and today I'll be sharing with you my personal ranking of Splash Island's attractions. I will only be ranking the attractions that we were able to try, so I apologize in advance if I won't be able to give you the complete tour of the water park. My personal ranking will be based on how much my whole family enjoyed it and if it's worth trying again. If you do have a different set of rankings in mind, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I'm curious about how you enjoyed Splash Island as well. At number 9, we have Splash Out from the Adventure Zone. The Adventure Zone consists of many other activities, but I was only able to experience Splash Out. Splash Out is at the end of my list because I was the only one in my family who had the ability to try it. It was very slippery and wobbly. It requires a lot of strength to finish the course. But to those who seek the thrill of an American Ninja Warrior pool-style type of activity, this is perfect for you. Do tune in to the end of this video to see my attempt in finishing this course. As you can see, disclaimer, it was not a good run. Splash Out is open from 8 AM to 6 PM, so you'll have plenty of time to explore the course. Tip number 1. If you can't swim over 6 feet, do get a life vest over at the entrance of Adventure Zone. Don't worry, it's free. Just make sure to return it after your use. At number 8, we have Tausug Trails from their giant slides. I honestly was really nervous while waiting in line because I am afraid of heights, but that doesn't stop me from experiencing the thrill. If you want to start off with something nice and slow, this is the attraction for you. Tausug Trails is open from 10 AM to 11 AM and 1 PM to 2:30 PM. Tip number 2. Make sure to place yourself nicely onto the floaty because I had a slightly uncomfy ride due to my butt kept touching the base of the slide. But other than that, this would be a great ride to experience with family. At number 7, we have Big Bamboo from their giant slides. This particular slide is on the left side and it is colored green and red. It is faster than Tausug Trails with a little twist in the middle, so it is really exhilarating to try. The Big Bamboo is open from 10 AM to 11 AM and 1 PM to 2:30 PM. Tip number 3. When you want to maximize your time on the slides, ride and stay in line about 2 to 3 times to fully enjoy the experience. We have Magellans Drop from their giant slides. This is a great attraction because you can be with up to 4 people. Perfect for families and friends to enjoy. You can even have a little contest on who's the first one who's going to reach the bottom. Magellans Drop is open from 11 AM to 12 noon and 2:30 PM to 4 PM. Tip number 4. Make sure to experience this attraction with your families and friends. They make it much better by having new memories and stories to share. At number 5, we have Twin Coconuts from the Curl of the Orient. This slide may be exclusively for kids, but it provides such a thrill to watch the younger ones enjoy their own version of the Tausug trails. It accommodates 2 kids and is incredibly safe and fun. Curl of the Orient is open from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 12 noon to 1 p.m. At number 4, we have King Philippe from their giant slides. King Philippe is the most unique slide you can find here on Splash Island because you don't need a floaty to enjoy this slide. It's the fastest individual slide inside the whole water park. If you like extremes and thrills, this one's definitely for you. King Philippe is open from 11 a.m. to 12 noon and 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Tip number 5. Lie on your back at the start of this slide, but make sure to sit up at the end to avoid drowning. Our bronze holder is another big bamboo slide. This particular slide is in the same location but a different set of a slide. Unlike the earlier one, this slide has no twists and only goes in one direction, resulting in a drop tower-esque vibe that will make you scream your heart out. The Big Bamboo is open from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Our silver holder is Water Wahoo. It is not particularly a slide, but it still provides the thrills with its giant buckets above. It deserves one of the top spots because out of all the attractions, Water Wahoo was our most visited place. This is due to the need to refresh ourselves under the heat of the sun. It also has a playground that is exclusively for kids only. Water Wahoo is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tip number 6. Make sure to rinse yourself every now and then to prevent heat stroke and dehydration. And at the top of our list is Rio Montañosa. Even though we only had the time to experience this ride once, due to the long line, it was still our best experience because the whole family was in one big giant floaty. I was terrified while riding this ride because my back was facing the front, so I couldn't see which way we would turn. But overall, this would be the best attraction from Splash Island. Rio Montañosa is open from 11 a.m. to 12 noon and 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. And that's the end of our video. I hope you felt like you've went to Splash Island yourself and someday be able to go there and experience all the great attractions that they have. So as a promise, here's the video of me attempting to finish out Splash Out.
You can do it! Maybe stopper yung ano mo!